In this video, we are going to study about isoplate method map. Actually, this map already we have seen in our last video. Then also we have to take it again because some questions we have seen in our last video. Remaining questions we have to complete in this video. Here is one map of Amravati district. With the help of this map, rainfall distribution is given with the help of isolines. When we see this map in detail, we can see this map is colored by blue, as well as here we can see one index is also there and one direction index is also given in this map. Actually, on the basis of this map, there are some questions. First one question is given here: in which part of the district is the rainfall more? When we think about the question and when we observe the map, we will get the answer of this question. If we see the map, we can understand and we can know the answer of this question. First of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of this question. In which part of the district is the rainfall more? When we see towards the map, here this part is looking so dark, and when we go towards the index, here also we can see dark part is there. So far as when we concentrate our attention on this index, we can see that 1300 millimeter rainfall is there. Means here the northern side of this map has more rainfall. So far as the answer of this question is rainfall is more in the northern part of this district. Now we have to move another question: in which direction is the rainfall decreasing? Here northern side has more rainfall, right? But when we think about the other sides of this map has less or moderate type of rainfall we can see. But before that, we have to understand the direction of this map. Upside northern side is there, this is the eastern side, this is the western side, and this is the southern side of this map. When we observe this map with the help of these sides or these directions, then easily we can give the answer of this question. Northern side has more rainfall and less rainfall is there downside. Southern side has less rainfall, southwestern side. So we may say southwestern side has less rainfall. Here western side has less rainfall. So when we observe the map, we will get the answer of that question. The next one question is there: what is the lowest value of the rainfall in the district? When we think about the lowest value and the highest value of rainfall in Amravati district, first of all, again we have to see this map. When we see this map in detail, we will get the answer of that question. Highest value, highest rainfall we can see here in index, that is 1300 millimeter, and lowest rainfall is here, means 800 millimeter. So far as the answer of this question may be the lowest value of the rainfall in the district is less than 800 meter.